Welcome to the Universe Buzz. Introduction. Today's topic is how big is the universe? This is one of the most fundamental questions of astronomy. While the observable universe gives us clues, the reality might be far more staggering than we can imagine. Observable Universe. Overview. What we call the observable universe is the part of the cosmos we can see, thanks to light traveling through space for billions of years. Light, which travels at 186,000 miles per second, has allowed us to observe galaxies that are 13.8 billion light-years away. So, the observable universe has a radius of 13.8 billion light-years, creating a sphere around Earth. Universe's expansion. As the universe expands, objects that were once closer are now further away. According to current estimates, the observable universe has a diameter of about 92 billion light-years. This rapid inflation means that regions we once saw near the beginning of time are now far beyond our reach. The universe beyond what we can see. But what about beyond our observable sphere? Based on calculations, some scientists believe the universe is at least 250 times larger than what we can see, meaning it could span over 7 trillion light-years. The shape of the universe. The size of the universe also depends on its shape. It could be closed, like a sphere, where space curves back on itself, or it could be flat, extending infinitely. According to NASA, recent studies suggest the universe is flat with a small margin of error. Conclusion. So, how big is the universe? While we can measure and observe parts of it, the true scale remains a mystery. One thing is for sure. It's far bigger than we ever imagined, and it continues to expand. Thanks for watching. If you're fascinated by the cosmos, don't forget to subscribe for more space content.